Hi everyone, got another package here from Banggood. Another purchase I thought would be a great comparison against another RC I just picked up. Shot a unboxing video for that one, but did a terrible job, so I'm not gonna torture you guys with that one. So it's not gonna be a fresh unboxing, but I'll go through that one again and show you what came in the box. I didn't have any issues. Haven't had a chance to power it up, but let's get started with this one. This is exactly how the packages come in from Banggood, with this typically with some sort of a plastic wrap around it. Just a bare box with the RC, as you'll see. Here we have an Enoze E9303 1/18th, and this is what I thought would be a great comparison with this one, the HS 1/18th 18301, I believe. I'll open up that one for you so that you can see what comes inside, and then we'll go over the Enoze and some differences I noticed when doing my research. This box comes with the controller. There's a charging cable inside of it. Charging cable, balancing ports, the good stuff, HS. This came zip tied, which is nice and secure. The box was in pretty good condition, as you saw. RC feels pretty solid, pretty sturdy. Haven't had a chance to try it out, just got it in yesterday. See, this one's a little bit beat up. No protection aside from just the RC box itself. Show this to you. So it comes like this. Right off the bat, I would say that the HS packaging is better. You can see that there's nothing that secures this to the plastic. Not a big deal. The RC looks fine, but you could say that the HS was packed a little bit better. Okay. So this one, I believe they give you a little bit more, some extra clips, nuts. Here's the charger, and even a metal lug wrench, which is nice because some of these give you just a plastic one that are worthless. Here's the remote of the Enoze, and you can see the difference between the two. See a little bit more adjustment options out of the Enoze than versus the HS. Now, one difference I did notice, so they both run on the 380 brushed motor, so I would imagine similar speeds. I'll get some running comparisons between the two. They both have just friction shocks, no oil in them. But one thing I did notice is the dog bones are plastic, or they come plastic in the HS, which is not a problem because this thing's proven. There's plenty of videos bashing this thing around, and they're pretty solid and sturdy even against some of the mainstream brands. This guy, I did notice, has the metal dog bones in there. Although it still does have plastic cups that go to the differential. So the dog bones could be stronger, but we still have the plastic differential, so we'll see how that holds up. I did manage to get this kind of buggy style in the Enoze compared to the monster truck style in the HS. I do like this one, but I feel like that the monster truck design could be a little bit better for bashing and handling hits, the way that it's just balanced. But that could just be my speculation. We'll find out, but I'll try to take these out and give them a good run, beat them up. I'm hoping not to destroy them because I did pay for them, but you know, that's the nice thing about hobby grade, is that they're fixable, even when broken. One thing I did notice, and I'm not a big fan of on the HS, is that it has the battery compartment on the bottom with the screw. And if you look inside, it does seem to look a little bit more toy grade than that guy, which I'll open up for you in a bit. Not a problem, you can still open up everything, get to the ESC, the servo, right here, the motor cover, so not a problem. What I might do is try to find a way to flip it and maybe stick the battery in here, easier accessibility, or at least bring the balancing port cable up through here so that I can quick charge through the car if I don't end up getting spare batteries for this guy. Open up this one. You'll notice this looks a little bit more like the other hobby grade smaller RCs, where you get access to all the electronics. Battery up here with the little arm that just keeps it in. No screw to mess around with. Just pull out this arm, the battery comes out. And not much bigger you can fit in there. I have a 1500 2S that I'll try to get into that. But the connectors are different. But overall, here's the two side by side, roughly about the same size or dimensions. The bottom side for you. So I like the design of the Enoze a little bit better. This guy is well proven, and we'll find out though and try to get them in the same video together. Alright. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I got more for you to come. One last look on how they look. Alright, take care guys. Thank you.